So, patience is a virtue, apparently. Well, not for this skip driver you're about to see in today's episode. Stay tuned to see what he does, or what he doesn't do right. Over and out. Morning, people. How are we? Welcome to a brand new week again. Today we are on, funny enough, Tuesday, so my day off was Monday at a nice 24, and we are now hang on a minute, there we go. We are now just starting our new week with a nice got a couple of collections, and then we're heading on up to sort of Birmingham way. I think I might be wrong, could even be Derby, I'm not exactly sure yet. So I'm still struggling to get the views. Again, hope you watched my video last week. If you didn't, look up on my shoulder, somewhere over there or there, wherever it is. You will see another link for last week's video. Go ahead, check it out. Looking at where my videos are going wrong, where it's dropping off. Apparently I'm talking too much. Well, hello. Talking's what I do, so I may need to do less talking and more be a bit more active with showing you what I actually do. So yeah, so as I say, we're going today to do a collection. I will try and film. I will ask you if I can film. I've been here several times. They seem nice people. It's just company policy if they allow it. I don't think they'd allow me to film inside. If they did, then fantastic, but pretty certain they won't. But I don't see there being any harm me filming from the back of the lorry with it going in. Alright guys, how we doing? We are just heading towards our first collection of the day in High Wycombe. So yeah, I thought I'd just film us getting there, I suppose, and seeing if we have any issues. So we've got our first load done. We're now heading off up to Feltham. Yeah, just bear with me a minute. Oh, we don't like bumps. We don't like bumps. So yeah, we're just now heading off to Feltham to do our second load before we start heading north. Just getting into Feltham. What the hell is going on here? What's that lorry doing? Can't park there, surely. Yeah, as I say, just getting into Feltham. They're on the industrial estate now. We're actually just doing a collection on River Gardens. This is horrible, this. I don't know what's going on here, but it's been really busy. I left a right turn, so I hope nothing's coming from the left, which it isn't. Well, it is now, but I can't help that, can I? Fucking diverted traffic on the side there. With regard, thank you very much, my man. You can smile today. Maybe not. Right, that car's pulled over there, so I'm going in just after where this, probably where this Arctic is here, isn't it? 80s. Oh. They don't normally mind when I do that. I'll tell you what, that guarantee didn't work out, did it? Right, that's us done. See you in a mo. Absolute idiot. But it's not the easiest to get into. I mean, I could have been there half an hour ago if I turned left, but you're not allowed to. It says no left turn for HGVs. And then it was a 12.5 ton bridge, a 7.5 ton weight limit with a 12'9" weight bridge. And then the next turning was, I'm thinking, yep, we're here. And there's a 13'3" bridge which we can't get under because we're 13'6". It's not going to be pretty because it's would have been wet because it rained all night. Ah, freaking hell sake. Saying there's a bridge up here 2.5 miles ahead. Not really sure if I'm going to get to this bridge because the maximum weight is 3.5 ton, 7.5 ton. This is the way it's instructed HGVs to come to Bloodstock, so it's got to be, there's got to be a turn-in, or we turn into something before we get to this narrow part. Signs say 3 ton maximum weight, 220 ahead. What the hell? Ah, are you kidding me? So where do I go now? What the hell is this? How the hell is a HGV supposed to come round here? Oh, this is absolutely ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. This is not good at all. At all. You park there. I need to get through, yeah. Put your mirrors in. Wow, well this is the road. Goes all the way to Cotton Hall. To come down, if I'm honest, not the nicest at all. Still is what it is. Oh my god, you cannot be kidding me, man. See, he's just come flying round here. Well, this is fun, isn't it? Wait there a minute, wait there. Any better? Guys, so unfortunately I'm unable to show you any more of that incident due to the fact, you might find this hard to believe, but it is the honest truth. So I've been having issues with my camera and it's been trying to repair stuff that it's filmed, and they cut out halfway through, so I managed to take a picture with my phone to show how close he got. But the story doesn't just end because of my camera. There were a few nasty words spoken, and I didn't want to capture any of it on camera. I didn't want to show a bad light onto him because he was obviously, well, first of all, he was in a rush because of the speed he came round the corner, and second of all, we've all had bad days, so I didn't think it was fair to show someone on their bad day in a bad way, in a bad light. I didn't think it was fair. So but there was 2 other little videos that I made where the video has been playing up saying it's repairing it, and when it's repaired it, I've downloaded it, it's just a black screen with some of the audio. So I'm not going to play some of the audio because there's a lot of swearing in it. Maybe it'll be on like a reels of bad incidents gone wrong or something soon, I don't know. But unfortunately that's all I'm able to show you of that incident. But anyway, enjoy the rest of the video, lots more coming up. So where are we off to next? Where do we go? We go to sunny Brighton. Over and out. Down to Brighton. Quick changeover. Probably going to be a bit of a late day really, because I don't think I'm going to be able to get this off until about 2 o'clock. Could be wrong. Could even be later. And then I'm working away the weekend up in Birmingham. So by the time you've watched this, I would have done it. So we're headed on down to Brighton today, and not really a great deal I'm going to be able to show. Just a trailer swap. I might be able to show the trailer swaps, that sort of stuff, but other than that, not a lot. Hey, what a great day. Look at this weather, absolutely stunning. Now you wouldn't believe that I filmed yesterday and I edited a video yesterday, and the part of the film that I was filming, it was absolutely pissing down. You couldn't see 2 meters in front of you. And we've gone from that to this within what, 24 hours? Unbelievable. Day. So I got here at 3 o'clock, it's now 6 o'clock, took 3 hours to do what we had to do, so I turn around now. We're going to clearly hit traffic going back towards the yard, so it's probably going to force me to night out.